Top 5 Video Making Apps. 1. iMovie. One first on our list is iMovie. This is a popular video making app developed by Apple and is available on iOS devices. 3. iMovie. You can create professional quality videos with ease. 4. It offers a wide range of features such as adding music, text, and voiceovers to your videos. 5. It also has a simple and user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to get started. 2. Adobe Premiere Rush. 1. Next up, we have Adobe Premiere Rush. This app is available on both iOS and Android devices. 3. It's a powerful video editing tool that's perfect for those who want to create 4. Professional-looking videos on their mobile device. 5. It has a wide range of features, including the ability to add custom titles, music, and sound. 6. Effects. It also has a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to use. 3. FilmoraGo. 1/3 on our list is FilmoraGo. This app is available on both iOS and Android devices. 3. It's a simple yet powerful video editing app that offers a variety of features, including the ability 4. to add text, music, and sound effects to your videos. 5. It also has a range of templates and filters that you can use to make your videos look more professional. 4. Quick. 1. Next on our list is Quick, which is available on both iOS and Android devices. Quick is a simple and easy-to-use video editing app that's perfect for creating short, shareable videos. 3. It offers a range of features, including the ability to add music, text, and filters to your videos. 4. It also has a range of templates that you can use to make your videos look more polished. 5. Kinemaster. 1. Last but not least, we have Kinemaster. This app is available on both iOS and Android devices. 2. It's a powerful video editing tool that offers a range of features, including the ability to add multiple layers of video, text, and audio to your videos. 3. It also has a range of special effects and filters that you can use to make your videos stand out.